friends, you've tuned in to Accessorize Your Life, and I thank you for doing so. It is where aging gracefully and accessorizing your life meet, and I'm Julia. Today I have for you on Thrifty Thursday a bundle I purchased from ColourPop. It was a collaboration with Princess K. She is a YouTuber, and she was asked to put together her favorite products from ColourPop and put them together in a bundle, and she did, and she called it Rose Goals. And this is what Princess K looks like, and I think it's a great ColourPop representation for brown skin beauties. This bundle was made available back in February for about 4 weeks. Sorry, I got something on my lip. And she ran a promotion where you could get, I think, 10% off at the time if you used her code. This deal is no longer available. The bundle does not pop up on ColourPop, but you can get the individual pieces, and the price is not much different than what I paid for it. I think everything is available except for the lip gloss that I will show you at the end. Oh, but there are other glosses, lip glosses on ColourPop's site that would suffice, I believe. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing when I opened the ColourPop box was inside that I saw, and I love the coloring of the package, is the Soul Body Shimmering Powder. It retails for $14 if you were to buy it individually. It comes actually in about 6 different shades. And excuse me, I still feel like something's on my lip. Well, one thing, let me wipe off my teeth because there was a lot of lip gloss on there. But whatever that thing is on my lip, I can't get it off. Oh well, I'll leave it on for now. But this comes in 6 different shades, anywhere from a pink to a bronze color. The color that Kay decided to include in her bundle is, gosh, that thing's bothering me, is a rose or rosé color. And remember, she named it Rose Goals. Goals, G-O-A-L-S, because she felt that she is a woman with a mission and she has a lot of goals to accomplish in her life. So that's what she did, named it thereof. So it's very pretty. It really gives you payoff. It's glistening. I think you could say that this is a frosty pink, and it's a highlighter, if you would. Very pretty. And I have it on my cheeks, and I have it around my clavicle, here on my chest. So you don't have to just put it on your body. You can wear it on your face, of course. The next item is the Bare Necessity palette itself. It retails individually for $34, and it is available on the ColourPop site. This is a large palette. They usually make smaller palettes. This is a rather large palette with 30 pans in it. So you can create a variety of looks with this palette. You can go from daytime to nighttime. You can go from play to work. You can go to social activities, church, business, whatever you want to do with the colors in this palette. They are gorgeous. They're rich colors. There are mattes, metallics, and there's shimmers in here. They are pressed powders. You do get a little kick up when you use them, but I think if you just tapped your brush into them instead of moving your brush around in the pans, I think you'll do better not to get so much kick up. But just because a shadow has kick up doesn't mean it's a good, it's a bad palette or bad pan. What I find is that the color payoff is really nice here. It's just, you put it on, you just have to go light and then work your way up with this, I believe. And be careful how you dip your brush into the pan. Again, they're soft, there is some kick up, you get a variety of colors. You have your shiny, like your glitters, you have your rich metallics, and you have your buttery mattes. So this pressed palette comes with so many, like I said, 30 pans in here, that you're sure to get a look or several looks, many looks that you'll like. And it's very pigmented. The next thing I have for you is the BBF 3, and it is their lip liner. This is a beautiful brown girl friendly lip liner. You know, a lot of the times we feel like we have to go to MAC for their lip liners, but this one retails for $6 and you get great color pigmentation that lasts. I have already swatched it for you right there. Isn't that beautiful? And I have it on my lips. I do believe you have to use a pencil sharpener with this because it's already gone down some on me, but it's creamy and it's easy to apply. The next thing I have is the Ulta, what is this? The Ulta Matte Liquid Lip. And it's in the color Fuego, and it retails for $7. It is available on their site. I do have it on right now. Let me show it to you just by itself. It is a beautiful rosy color for women of color. It goes on wet, therefore it's liquid, and it dries down to a beautiful matte. And there is no color transfer. I've been drinking from my water bottle, nothing on it. And the last thing that comes in this bundle is your Ulta Lip Glossy Lip. Now this particular one is not available, or color is not available on the site right now. It is in the color, what is this color? Attention Hall. And this retails for $7 usually. And it is just the most non-sticky but shiny pigmented lip gloss there is. I'm putting it right there below the liquid lipstick. Right there. And then you see it on my lips. I have it over it. So all together I paid $61 for this bundle, and like I said, at the time there was a 10% off, and I basically feel like it covered the shipping, no, the taxes, because the shipping, I think it was free at that time. Could be wrong. But the price, to me, it wasn't that it was thrifty, because I feel like the prices are just about the same right now individually. If you were to buy each piece, it would probably add up to about $61, but you would have the taxes. And I think ColourPop is running a 10% off right now anyway. But it wasn't so much that this bundle was thrifty as it was just a great buy, because everything was already assembled for you. The colors you need to work together and get a great look for women of color. And I have to say that's so important to me, because oftentimes it's hard to know what will work well together until you play around in it and just trial and error with it. But for me, being a woman over 60, I was a little reluctant at first, because I was thinking that, oh, those colors may not work well on my aging eyes or my mature eyes, that I would find that gloss way too shimmery and too bright. The lips, you know, when I first put it on, the lippies, I thought, oh, it's much too light. But what happens is, you see those colors? They kind of adjust as they're on your lips. So I think this is a very, very pretty bundle for any age woman, and especially for mature women, because the colors are not coming out at you before you get there. The gloss is shiny, but it is not crazy shiny once you feather it out. So I think this was a great buy for me, and I think anybody looking to, or who loves ColourPop's formula, would be happy with this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I ask that you leave some comments down below. Like this video if you did, and why not subscribe to my channel. Remember, a smile is your best accessory, and I love having you here. Bye-bye.